good morning students. So you are here at El Real Assessment Center. So my name is Junior Musman and also I am your assessor. By the way, I am a NC passer of Monterrey, FBS, and Red and Pink State. So kamusta kayo? Kinakabahan ba kayo? Okay, so huwag kayo kakabahan kasi dito sa assessment center namin is lahat ng mga nag-NC2 is nakakapasa. So huwag kayo kakabahan since ako yung magiging assessor nyo. Hindi naman ako masyadong strict, but gusto ko lang makita yung paggawa ng product, which is yung quality, and also sa ating oral question. So, nandito kayo sa ating assessment center para kumuha ng cookery. So, sa cookery, meron tayong tatlong COC, which is yung COC 1, 2, and 3. So, sa COC 1 is nandun yung appetizer and soup, and COC 2 is yung main course, side dish, and last is, and also pala COC 2 is yung salad, and COC 3 is yung mga hot and cold dessert. So kailangan nyo magawa yung lahat and ma-accomplish yung time since sa ating NC2 ngayon is meron tayong 4 hours na natin. 3 hours for the hands-on and 1 hour for oral questioning. So, kailangan parehas nyo itong maipasa. Kasi hindi pwedeng makapasa ka sa hands-on activity ay sa ating hands-on paggawa ng product while sa oral questioning is bagsak. So, hindi yun pwede. So, ikaw ay magiging not yet competent. Ano po? So, ayun. Once na matapos na ang ating NC is meron lang tayo or meron lang kayong dalawang kahit hinaknan, which is yung competent and not yet competent. So alam nyo naman sa competent is yung nagawa nyo yung mga certain product or yung COC 1 to 3. While sa ating not yet competent is yun nga hindi nyo natapos yung mga product within 3 hours. So, kung feel nyo na hindi masyadong tama yung aming decision, so pwede kayong mag-appeal sa amin and para maayos namin yung aming mga nagawang decision, which is kung competent ka ba or not yet competent. So, anyone ba sa inyo na mayroong problema or health issue ngayon? So, kung anyone ba sa inyo na mayroong health issue ngayon or masama pakiramdam, okay.
Let's call the presence of our AC manager, Mr. Christian Tikina. Next is our TESDA representative, regional, Jason Rufo. And lastly, our processing officer, Miss Sainami Maravilla. Thank you so much, ma'am and sir, sa inyong presence.
So, kung wala naman is mag-start na tayo within 30 minutes. So, paki-prepare na lang ng ating mga admission slip and yung mga ingredients and equipment na kailangan sa ating assessment. So, thank you so much.
After the assessment, the assessor will ask the students about their experience during the assessment. Whether they felt nervous, which part they found difficult, or which part they found easier. We ask the students how they felt about whole assessment process, and after that, we provide feedback starting the students' strengths, and then we move on to areas that need improvement. Once the feedback has been given, we conclude by informing or congratulating the students whether they are competent or not yet competent, based on their performance.
Okay naman, sir. Medyo pinakabahan kanina.
So, kita ko naman sa yung hands-on is alam na lang yung ginagawa sa bawat slides. So, ikaw ay competent. So, pakapirmahan na lang nila is so, yung mga sana yung mga experience nila is not Thank you so much. congratulations ulit, ano. And next naman is si Mr. Divina. Ay, sir. Okay. So, please come here. Good morning. So, yung positive nga na nakakita ko is, even though na nahihirapan or nag-struggle ka, is ginagawa mo pa rin yung best mo para matapos yung ginagawa within the time, and especially sa oral questioning, so nag-excel ka talaga doon. So, yung naging negative lang na nakita ko is during assessment is yung table mo is medyo makalat. So, hindi siya appropriate. Siyempre, nagpo-contact na yung mga maduduming bagay sa hindi o sa malinis na bagay. So, iwasan natin yun during the assessment kasi may mga ibang assessor na malaking points yung pagiging sa cleanliness na working station. So, kailangan is malinis talaga or pinagpupukusan din natin. So, ano pa ba? Also, yung sa pag-present ng food, medyo yung ibang product na i-serve mo especially doon sa main course nga is hindi masyado maganda yung plating. But nung tinikman ko naman is nandun yung quality ng lasa. So, ano naman, kumbaga is lahat ng mga ingredients and also sa proportion is nasunod mo naman. So yun, overall is pasado ka. So, sana yung mga nagamit or experience ko dito is may apply mo sa real world. And also, pwede mo rin itong may share sa iba yung experience mo. And I hope na hindi lang dito maipakita yung skills at ma-explore mo rin yung iba't ibang mga gawain. So, thank you so much.